KRUGER MATZ Live 7S, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So basically at the very beginning, let's find and select settings. Right now let's choose here the system. From the list of system options, let's choose languages and input. Tap languages one more time from the top of the screen, and as you may notice right now we are using the English from United States. But if you would like to change your language, let's tap add a language, and here you can find your desired one. This is the full list of available languages. In my case, let me find and select the Espanol. Let me tap it, and let's choose the region. So in my case it could be España, and as you may notice now you can place Espanol into the first position. Basically that's it. Now you can check out that the whole list of settings and also the apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to the previous version, just find and select Ajustes, scroll down, choose Sistema, tap here Idiomas y Traducción de Texto, tap Idiomas again, and let's place English into the first position. So basically that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.